Good morning, student. Today I will start chapter number 4, simple equations. First of all, we have to know what is the equation. An equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. An equation remains the same if the LHS and RHS are interchanged. Now, I will give the one example. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. So, it is an equation because this is the sign of equal, and before the equal it is the LHS. This is the LHS left hand side, and after the equal it is the RHS right hand side. So we can solve the equation by interchanging the values. By interchanging the constant and variables, we can find the solution of the any equation. So this is the equation. Now I will take exercise 4.1, question number first. Exercise 4.1, question number first. Complete the last column of the table. Complete the last column of the table. Complete the last column of the table. So, serial number, equation, values, and shape, whether the equation is satisfied yes या no. We have to write yes या no only. Serial number 1. Now, this is the value. Serial number first. Equation is x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. And value is x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Here, x plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to 3. Say whether the equation is satisfied. X equal to 3 is satisfied this equation or not. First of all, we have to check. So put x equal to 3. X equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So it is not satisfied, but it is given 0. So it is not satisfied. So say no. X equal to 3 is not satisfied the equation. Now second part. This is the first part. Second part is x plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in the equation. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. But it is given in the RHS 0. So x equal to 0 is not satisfied the equation. So it is no. It is clear all of you? Now third part is x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus का 3. We will put x equal to minus 3 in the equation. Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 satisfied the given equation. So it is the yes. Yes, x equal to minus 3 satisfied the given equation. Now fourth part is x minus 7 equal to 1. Here value is x equal to 7. X equal to 7. Put x equal to 7. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. But in the RHS it is given 1. So it is not satisfied. So x equal to 7 is not satisfied the given equation. No. Now fifth part is x minus 7 equal to 1. X equal to 8. X equal to 8. Put x equal to 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So RHS is 1. So it is satisfied. Put x equal to 8. Then x minus 7 equal to 1 satisfied. So yes. It is yes. It is clear? Now sixth part. 5x equal to 25. 5x equal to 25. X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in the equation. 5 into 0 equal to 0. But RHS is 25. So it is not satisfied. No. It is clear all of you? So this is the verification. This is the verification of the solution. Solution are satisfied the equation or not. We have checked. Now I will start question number 2. I will start question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. Exercise 4.1. Question number 2. First part. A part. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation. We have to check the given value in the bracket is the solution or not. Check the value given in the bracket is a solution of the equation or not. We have to check. Now A part. N plus 5 equal to 90. We have given n equal to 1. So we will check n equal to 1 is the solution of this equation or not. So first we will take the LHS. LHS is, before the left side is LHS. So LHS is n plus 5. LHS is n plus 5. Put n equal to 1 in the LHS. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. But RHS is 19. But is not equal to RHS. So n equal to 1 is not the solution. Of the given equation. So we have checked n equal to 1 is the solution or not. So we have to find x equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Now second part is B part 7n plus 5 equal to 9, 19. n equal to minus 2. n equal to minus 2. We have to check n equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation or not. So, first of all we will take the LHS. LHS equal to 7n plus 5. Put n equal to minus 2. 7 multiply minus का 2 plus 5. 7 to the 14 minus का 14 plus का 5. Minus 14 plus 5 minus plus minus 14 minus 5 equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9 or sign is negative because negative value is greater than the positive value. Because negative value is greater than the positive value, so sign will become negative. So minus 9. But RHS is 90. So LHS but is not equal to RHS. LHS but is not equal to RHS. It means n equal to minus 2 is not solution of the given equation. This clear? Now question number second, C part. Question number second, C part. Seven n plus 5 equal to 19. N equal to 2. We will check n equal to 2 is a solution or not. Now we will take the LHS. 7n plus 5. Put the value of n equal to 2. 7 multiply 2 plus 5. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 5 equal to 19. It is equal to RHS. RHS is already given 19. So LHS equal to RHS. It means n equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation. So this is the answer. Now next part is E part. Question number second, E part. E part is E part is 4p minus का 3 equal to 30, p equal to minus 4. So we must check p equal to minus 4 is a solution or not. Now we will check. First of all, we will take the LHS of the equation. LHS equal to 4p minus 3. Now we will put p equal to minus 4 in the LHS. So 4 multiply minus का 4 minus 3. 4 4 the 16 minus का 16 minus का 3 minus 16 minus 3 minus minus plus sign is negative. Sign is negative. Minus minus plus 16 to 3 19 minus का 19. But RHS is 30. RHS is 30. So LHS but is not equal to RHS. It means p equal to minus 4. P equal to minus 4 is not a solution of the given equation. It is clear, all of you? So question number second is complete.